Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning back in. Hey, what is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Redline Mods. Thanks for tuning in. This is what you guys requested for the Hoodlight right there. It's a white one. This is the white flexible one. There's two kinds. There's also a RGB one. This is a white one that has the animation. The RGB does not have the animation. Let's start up. But this is where it'll be going from that end to the other end. And we're gonna remove the red part from underneath it. You could also install this like on the inside or on top of the hood, whatnot, but mostly it's used for the hood light right here. So yeah, the way we're wiring this basically is what you guys want to know. Obviously you want to turn it on at nighttime, so which has the ground, which is right there, that's ground, and ignore the white wire. The red wire is going to be from the hood light, a black and a red. So the red is going to be connected to the yellow driver's side yellow wire of the headlight harness to the red, basically from the hood light. All right, and this should turn on only when the headlights turn on, so basically at nighttime. And that's pretty straightforward. Make sure you guys clean the surface with rubbing alcohol. Use adhesive promoter on the edges so this way it sticks really good, and you should be good to go honestly from there. And then we'll check out the startup once I plug that back in.